Hi, Pauric here, McNally Motors. Today I'm going to show you around our 2024 Toyota Aygo X. It is a demonstration model. It's got a line of road tax of €180. It's sold valid manufacturer's warranty and it comes with 3 free services. Now we'll take a look at some of the features the car has to offer. It's got front fog lights as standard with daytime running lights. It's got the 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels. It's got spotless bodywork all around. It's got the rear tinted privacy glass. It's got decent boot space for a hatchback. It's got the Aygo fix for the car seats on both sides. It's finished in a navy and grey cloth interior. It's got the touchscreen radio with built-in Bluetooth. It's got the Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, reversing camera. It's got the air conditioning, USB port, manual handbrake. It's got a 5-speed manual gearbox, and there's just 6,500 kilometers on the clock. Here at McNally Motors, we can offer a wide range of finance options on this Aygo to suit your needs. So please give us a call on 043 33 45621 or visit our website at www.mcnallymotors.ie where you can view this car and also book a test drive. Thanks very much.